room temperature. You need to turn off the aircon, close the window or close your door. Second, check the water. Water temperature, use your elbow. Okay, normal. Normal. Next, wash your hands. Wash your hands, okay? Prepare the materials for perineal care. Materials for the perineal care such as soapy water, clean water with alcohol, cotton balls, rectal thermometer. Okay, for the bathing materials, we have here the 2 towels, powder, lotion, liquid soap, shampoo, alcohol, clean cloth, soapy water, clean water, tympanic temperature, rubber mat, baby bathtub, of course the water lukewarm, diaper, 1 set of dress. Okay? Next, get the baby. Unlock the crib. Take the baby. Put over the mat with the towel. Get another towel. Okay. Next. Check the diaper area. Ooh, positive. Remove the shorts. Remove the diaper. Clean the perineal area. Since the baby is boy, so we need the 4-stroke. Get the cotton with soapy water. Clean. And then cotton balls for the clean water with alcohol. Okay. Remove the diaper. Okay. Mummify.
Mummify pala.
Ay, sorry. Check the rectal pala. Check the rectal temperature. Get the rectal temperature. Clean it first. Soapy water. Bulb to stem. Another one. Clean water with alcohol. Bulb to stem. Then check the rectal. Insert the rectal thermometer at least ½ inches deep, at least 1 to 2 minutes. Normal. Then clean it, the rectal thermometer, using the cotton with soapy water. This time, cleanliness to dirtiness. Another one. With clean water and alcohol. Cleanliness to dirtiness. Okay? Ready. Mummify. After that, we need to check the body temperature of the baby. Okay, normal. Get the baby with the football hold.
Galing.
Soapy water. Rub gently the head. And then the clean water. Rub gently. And then pat dry. Okay? Don't forget. Pat dry. Up to the rubber mat. To the rubber mat. Let's clean the face using the clean cloth. Meat wrap. Soak with clean water, inner to outer canthus. Other side, inner to outer canthus. Use the S-stroke, forehead to the lips. And then J-stroke, forehead to the nose. And then the 3-stroke. Other side. Okay. And mummify. Undress. Manifascio. Baby, huwag kami iihi. Okay, next. It's time to bath. Clean water, upper extremities to the lower extremities. And also the back. Next, soapy water. Again, upper extremities to the lower extremities. Rub, rub, and back. Don't forget the hands. Rub, rub. Last one, clean water, upper extremities to the lower extremities and back. Okay, pat dry the baby. Pat dry. For the final rinsing, lift the baby with a football hold. Put in the baby tub, gentle, and then rinse. Upper extremities to the lower extremities and the back. Done. Okay. Put in the clean towel. Pat dry. It's time to dress. Rub, rub, rub. You can put the lotion or powder. This is the optional. Okay? Optional only. Get the diaper. Ang tahimik nyo guys.
Nakikinig kami sa'yo eh. Parang perfect mo na inaano eh.
Okay. Next. Upper garments. Right side. Right side of the cloth. Okay? Not the hand. Right side. And then roll. Roll the baby. Door na ako eh.
Malikot si baby. Kaya hirap magdamit.
Okay. After the upper garments, get the lower. This time, you need to
Ang tawag mo?
put lower garments by wrong side.
Wrong side.
One by one. Very good si baby, hindi umiiyak. Nakaloka naman, uyak yun. Okay, after the dressing, get a clean cloth, wrap it to your pinky finger, soak with water, soak with clean water, and then clean the tongue. After that, the last one, let's check the body temperature again. Okay, normal. Time to sleep. Back the baby to the crib. Gentle. Make sure walang harang, walang adorned toys or any, and then lock the crib. Safety. Clean as you go.
Baba na, malalas na yung baby.
Clean as you go. After you clean